Hello, my friends. I'm here time to tell about important thing. I'm here time to tell about supernatural faith. And the book of John, chapter 1 and verse 1, Jesus says so. And the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The same was in the beginning with God. All things were made by him, and without him wasn't anything made that was made. My friends, think about what I'm going to ask you now. It is only through the Word of God that you have the supernatural faith. Did you understand? Because there is natural faith and the supernatural faith. For example, when you are seeking God and your heart is beating fast, does it mean that it is the presence of God? Perhaps it's just emotion, nothing else, just it. Nevertheless, through supernatural faith, you trust in God, even in the face of difficult situation. Did you understand? Reflect on this. Think about it. Until next time.